Have you ever heard someone called the truthful one? Well, today we're going to learn about a very special person, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, and why everyone called him the most honest and truthful man they had ever known. So get ready, because this is a really amazing story. Long, long ago, in a city called Mecca, there lived a man who never told a lie, not even once. His name was Muhammad, peace be upon him, and from the time he was a little boy, everyone around him knew he always told the truth. People would say, if you want to know what really happened, ask Muhammad. He will never lie to you. And because he was so honest and so trustworthy, the people of Mecca gave him a very special nickname. They called him Al-Ameen, which means the trustworthy one. Isn't that amazing? Even before he became a prophet, people trusted him so much that they would leave their most precious belongings with him for safekeeping. Merchants, traders, and families would say, "Keep this with Muhammad. We know it will be safe." Now let me tell you a really cool story about his truthfulness. One day, there was a big problem in Mecca. The Kaaba, which is the most sacred building, needed to be repaired, and there was a very special black stone that needed to be placed back in its spot on the wall. But here was the problem. Every tribe in Mecca wanted the honor of placing that stone. They were all arguing, and it looked like a big fight was about to start. Then someone said, "Let's ask Al-Ameen, Muhammad, to decide. We all trust him." And do you know what he did? He was so wise and fair. He placed the black stone on a big cloth and asked a leader from each tribe to hold one corner of the cloth. Together, they all lifted the stone, and then he gently placed it into the wall with his own hands. Everyone was happy. No fight, no argument, because they trusted him completely. So what can we learn from this? Truthfulness means always telling the truth, even when it's hard. It means people can trust you with their secrets, their belongings, and their hearts. When you tell the truth, people will trust you, just like the people of Mecca trusted Muhammad, peace be upon him. So remember, dear friends, be honest, be kind, and always tell the truth. That is one of the most beautiful qualities a person can have. If you enjoyed this story, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss our next video. And remember, be truthful just like Al-Ameen.